class. I'm so glad you're joining me this morning. We have a new week and I have a new little friend to introduce to you. This is my cow duck. Hee. He's cute, huh? Cute, my little cow duck. Okay, so we're gonna put my cow duck up off to the side. We are doing our calendar page and I'm excited that you're joining me. So go ahead and start tracing April with me. We've been doing this now for several weeks, so we're getting really good at April. April. Okay, let's see what today is. We're in a new week, and it is Monday, start of the week, April. It's the same number as the year. 20. What number is it? 20. It is Monday, April 20. Okay, so let's go ahead and start writing. If at any time during our videos, if you need to press pause and catch up, that is absolutely fine. So I'm going to do a nice neat 2. Keep your numbers top to bottom even. And 0 the hero. Nice neat numbers all the way across. So in our year, it is this number, which is 20, twice, 20, 20, or 2020. That's right, you guys are getting good. 2, 0, 2, 0. And you notice, nice and neat. I'm seeing some nice numbers come through, so I can tell when you're really taking your time and you're doing some really nice, neat numbers. Well done. Okay, so April, what number do we use in our digital date for April? So count your months: January, February, March, April. 4. Good job. Down and across and down again. Then today's day is the 20th. 2, 0. And in our digital date, we use the last 2 numbers for the year. We're going to be writing 20, 20, 20, 20, and again for our year, 20. Notice there's a lot of 20s in our dates today. 4, 20, 20 is the digital date for today, or April 20, 2020. We have been in school for, well, last week on Thursday was 144 days. Friday was 145 days. So today is, let's count on our big base 10. So we've got 100. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job counting with me. 100. Now we're going to count on from 100, but we're still counting in tens because these are groups of 10. 110, 120, 130, 140. Now we have the ones place, so now we're going to count in ones. So we're going to count on from 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146. We've been in school for 146 days. That's a long time to be in school. It's nice because we have, if you notice, the trees are starting to get their leaves. So it definitely feels like spring. So days in school, I'm going to write our number. We had 1 in the hundreds place. We had 4 tens, so 4 in the tens place. And we had 6 ones, or 6 in the ones place. 146 days. Good job. Now we're going to write that on our calendar. So 100, down and across and down again, direction like my 6. Okay, not the other way, that would be backwards. Okay, this is our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. How many of the big base 10 in our hundreds place, how many hundreds do we have? There's 1, top to bottom. Nice, neat 1. In our tens place, what number is in our tens place? That was our green ones. Yep, we've got 4 down and across, and down again for a nice, neat 4. Then what number is in the ones place? Yep, we had 6 of the yellow ones, 6 ones. Nice, neat 6. Make sure your 6 is going around like this. Kind of starts like a G, a little bit. All right, we have our days of the week. Yesterday was Sunday. That's right. Yesterday was Sunday. It's the first day of the week. Then our first day of our work week. Today is Monday. Monday, that's right. Tomorrow will be, I'll put Monday off to the side. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tuesday, good job. We're getting the days of the week down and how to write them. I'm very impressed with your writing. I want to make a note though that remember Monday is the name of the day of the week. So the only letter that is capitalized is the M. The rest of your letters should be lowercase. I saw some calendars come through with uppercase A's and kind of wrong letters coming through the wrong way. So I am not going to keep this up here this time because you see capital letters in all of them and I don't want that. I want only the first letter of the day of the week capital and all other letters lowercase. So let's go ahead and do that together. So we're going to do our M for Monday, M. So from the bottom to the top, to the dotted line, back up to the top and down again. Nice, neat uppercase M. Then we're doing A, O. Nice and neat, and it's dotted line to bottom line, lowercase o. N. So line from the dotted line to the bottom line, and put my hump on, just going up to the dotted line. D, D. Okay, it's a D, top to bottom. Put the tummy under, reach up, touch the dotted line, and bring it back around. It's facing to the left or facing to the end. Then A, lowercase a, you make another circle, O, and come back down, and bring a little tail down. A, and then our Y, it's like making a V, but when we get to this part, we put a little tail on it. Okay, angle, angle, and down. Monday. Now make sure the other thing is that these are dotted line to bottom line, not little teeny tiny ones like this. That's not correct. So make sure you're following and modeling exactly, do it exactly how I'm doing, and be very careful with that. Okay, so now we have our season. The season is winter, spring, summer, or fall. With the trees, I get so excited. My daughters laugh at me, but I get so excited when I start to see trees with leaves on them, and I get so excited. It makes me so happy. I love spring. So it is spring, and I'm going to make a happy little blue flower down here. We're getting closer to May. It's almost May. This year is just screaming fast by in some ways, and then in other ways it's going so slow. It's crazy. I miss you guys like crazy. Okay, I'm going to color just dark blue and light blue. I'm going to color my little bunny, so you can go ahead and color your bunny too. Make sure, I'm seeing some really nice coloring. It looks like you are taking your time on your coloring, and that's really nice. It looks really good. Okay, there's my little bunny and my little egg. Now we're going to couple of you, I know, are doing equations all on your own. You're doing different ones than I'm doing, and that is just simply fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to move that out of the way so we can see this. And I'm going to just make some room here. I want you to be able to see the number line because we're coming up to some bigger numbers. And so how we work these, we're going to do addition because going up to 20 is a big number. It's a pretty big number. So let's do our incredible equations. And remember, when we're doing addition, it's going to equal 20. So if we need it to equal 20, we have to go up the number line, and our answer is here. So that means we have to start with a number below 20 and add it to another number to equal 20, because we're going to end at 20. So let's just go ahead and randomly, I'm going to pick 11. So you pick your first number, 11, and then write it down. And you can do the same ones that I'm doing, and then write your addition sign. Now I need to see how many more to get to 20. So we're coming up to here. I do not count the one that my finger is covering. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11 plus 9 equals 20. Okay, let's do another one. I'm just going to put my finger right here at 6. We're going to go all the way up to 20, so we got to count all the way up. But I first want to put my 6, so I'll do 6 plus, I'm not going to count the star that my finger is already covering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, so 6 plus 14 equals 20. You guys are getting so good at this. Okay, I'm going to start with a bigger number. I'm going to start with 14. My first number, so I'm going to write 14. 14 plus, okay, how many more do I need to make it up to 20? And again, I am not going to count the star I'm on. So that means my 1 is going to be the next star up here, 1. Because this one doesn't count because I'm covering it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equals 20. Now if you notice, 6 plus 14 equals 20. Well, 14 plus 6 equals 20. So it doesn't matter which order, whether the 14 is first, here, or second, here, or the 6 is first, or the 6 is second, when 6 plus 14, or 14 plus 6, it both equals 20. Now you can do your own, make sure they equal the number, and our day, it's the day of today's day. And you did an absolutely fantastic job today. Me and our cow duck, we have to decide what we want to call her. Maybe we'll call her a dow. She's a dow. A duck cow. A dow. What would she say? Muack? Muack? Anyway, okay, Muack.